Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to download and install Obsidian on Mac step by step. Obsidian is a powerful note-taking app based on Markdown. It's great for building a personal knowledge base, linking notes together, and keeping everything stored locally on your Mac. This tutorial works on both Intel Mac and Apple Silicon Mac, including M1, M2, M3, and newer. Let's get started. First, open any web browser on your Mac. In the address bar, go to obsidian.md. I'll also leave the website link in the video description below. Once the website loads, click Get Obsidian for Mac OS button on the page. The download will start automatically, and the installer will be saved to your Downloads folder. This may take a few seconds, depending on your internet connection. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the Obsidian installer file. A new window will appear. Simply drag the Obsidian app into the Applications folder. This will copy Obsidian to your Mac. When it's finished, close the window and move the installer file to the trash. Next, open Applications and double-click Obsidian to launch it. If macOS shows a security message saying the app was downloaded from the internet, just click Open to continue. When Obsidian launches for the first time, you'll be asked to create or open a vault. You can create a new vault or open an existing one if you already have notes. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Obsidian on your Mac. You're now ready to start taking notes, linking ideas, and building your knowledge system. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more Mac tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.